Rome is a timeless city. An ancient legend says that Romolo founded the city in 753 before Christ, so it is easy to imagine that its cultural heritage can be overwhelming for people visiting the city. For this reason, our Rome walking tours are conducted only by official tour guides as Andrea.
My name is Andrea. I am an art historian. So I studied art history in Rome and then in Siena, near Florence, for 7 years. And 8 years ago, I started guiding groups in Rome and in the Vatican. To work as a guide, you need a license. So everything started in 2009 when I passed the public exam to become a guide. It was actually quite hard, let's say. They tested my knowledge of art, history, archaeology, geography, of geography. Let's say sometimes guiding in Rome is a little bit challenging, but I say that I definitely love my job. I'm lucky because first of all I can do something that is connected to what I studied, and I then have the chance to show the beauties of my city